Hi friends, this is a great recipe to do during Census Week because to make cookies, you need your nose, your hands, your ears, your eyes, and your tongue. You're going to follow the recipe. This is also a great math skill because measuring is math. Half cup, whole cup, teaspoons, tablespoons, these are all great math skills. Also gives you a temperature, which is 350 degrees. Why does it have to be hot? Why can't cookies just cook if you leave them on the counter? So for this, you're going to use all the ingredients. The directions are down below. This is also great for smelling, tasting. So once you have a chance to make these, I included a picture from what mine looked like at home. Didn't those look yummy? They tasted really good too. While you're making this, it's going to start out as some powder and some liquid. You're going to mix it together. It's going to become kind of firm, not fully solid, but it's going to become more like a mixture. And then when you cook it, it's going to become a solid. So it also included in science. Try it out. Have fun. Bye, friends.